So I just got done getting my hair done. Look how amazing it looks. My sister is amazing. Seriously, she works wonders on me all the time. So I love it. And don't mind me, all natural today. No makeup, so what do you think? So I was out and about. Girls, of course, fell asleep first thing getting in the car. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna take Jeff some lunch. Not just any lunch. We're going to do something super fun. Have you heard about the new Popeyes chicken sandwich? I thought, well, let's try that today, but let's compare it to our beloved Chick-Fil-A sandwich. So that's what we're gonna do. Just waiting for Jeff to come out because we can't leave the car. The girls are napping, so we're gonna try them and give you a little review. We love Chick-fil-A. So when I heard about this Popeye sandwich, we had to give it a try. And I always just order the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, just the classic #1. So we're gonna give it a go, give you a nice, honest review. No, we're not sponsored by either one. No, we don't get paid for this. This is just fun for us. So, enjoy. So here's the Popeye sandwich. It looks yummy. That roll looks amazing. It looks bigger than the Chick-fil-A sandwich. And I just love how it looks really, really appetizing. And it came with a little wrapper thing so you can keep your fingers clean. Here is the Chick-fil-A sandwich, which nice big fat piece of chicken. It looks delicious as well. You can see the pickle there too. So, here we go. First bite of the Popeyes sandwich. That is good. That's really good. The pickle tastes homemade. The bun tastes like a homemade roll. The chicken's crispy. That's bomb. I'm waiting for Jeff, but I couldn't wait, so I'm doing mine first and then he'll review it after. I won't tell him anything. Now I'm gonna try Chick-fil-A sandwich. That's good too. But I think I prefer the Popeyes chicken sandwich, which surprises me because I love the Chick-fil-A sandwich. But that pickle in the bread. Yep, this is my pick, Popeyes. It doesn't come with any dipping sauces, it just already has the sauce on it. Chick-fil-A, you choose which sauce you want, which I always get the Chick-fil-A sauce because I love that. Both are delicious. I mean, you can't go wrong with either one, but my favorite is the Popeyes. That pickle, I'm telling you, and the bread, and the chicken. It's... Yep. Still loving this sandwich. Here he comes. Okay, are you ready to review these sandwiches? Hold on. Clear the palate.
Okay. First, we have the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. Wow, they gave it to me with bites taken out. On the surface, it does not look like much. It's got 2 buns, or 1 bun? What's the right word?
A bun.
It's a bun? Okay. With some pickles and...
2 pickles to be exact.
2 pickles and just a big piece of chicken in there.
Okay.
No, no sauce. Okay. Just on its own, it's pretty good. I love the chicken, and without the pickle, it'd be just plain. But yeah.
Okay, now for Popeyes.
All right. Well, first look at a Popeyes, and you're like, you know, your eyes pop. You get Popeyes. You know, because the chicken's just like, boom. You get the pickles, and you get a little bit of sauce. And the buns look like they are homemade, you know, something you get at Thanksgiving dinner.
Is there cheese down there?
I don't believe so.
Sauce. Oh, it's just the bun.
Just
that
the
looks
bun.
Like there's cheese coming
Yeah.
out. Oh, yum.
Anyways. It's a bigger sandwich, and it gives a little bit more the crunch of the chicken and stuff. Well, but it's also $1 more. You gotta remember that.
Is it really though?
But if you are comparing these two side by side, I mean, just look at them.
No, the Popeyes is $3.99 and the Chick-Fil-A's is $3.65. So
Oh,
really,
not that much of a difference.
30
then.
cents difference.
Well, you get more chicken here, you get sauce, and you get more of a homemade bun. But the biggest thing for me
What
is the
about that
chicken.
pickle? That pickle's freaking fun.
Pickle's good too. But you also get pickles with the Chick-fil-A.
But that pickle is so good.
So, with all things considered, Popeye's chicken sandwich is better. Though I do slightly prefer the taste of Chick-fil-A's chicken. Just because, I don't know, I just do. But overall, Popeyes wins.
Popeyes winner.
Look at that.
Fun lunch date.
Yep. We should do this all the time. Review.
You got 2 chicken sandwiches. Got 2 chicken sandwiches. Oh wow. Oh, the Popeyes with Chick-fil-A sauce. Or is that just totally wrong?
No. That's the best. Might be the best thing about Chick-fil-A is their sauce.
No, Chick-fil-A is pretty awesome. They have great service.
No.
Always, their food's always good.
Yep.
but
I love Chick-fil-A, and as a company, I think they are a great company, and their food.
it's bomb.
Mm-hmm.
But chicken sandwich.
But
takes
Popeyes,
it.
yep. Popeyes.
They made a
As far as the
mean
chicken sandwich goes.
sandwich.
If we're talking upgraded sandwiches, though, Chick-fil-A has some really good ones, like that bacon,
They're-
delicious,
yeah, yummy ones.
grilled.
Okay. I feel like this is wrong. I feel like we're doing something wrong. How is it?
Oh, well, it feels so right.
Take it to a whole other level.
Mm-hmm. Popeyes needs to develop their own Chick-fil-A sauce.
While we're having our own chicken sandwich fun. Fast asleep. Fast asleep.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's really nice.
You like it a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Well, thanks for coming on our lunch date while the girls nap. Jeff's still eating his chicken sandwich, but it's time to close this one out, babe. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Oh, got some Chick-fil-A sauce.
That's disgusting.